Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ryan Michelle, and on today's video I will be showing you how I organize and declutter my linen closets. As you can see, they are very cluttered and junky, messy, and this will be taken care of today.
Been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say.
So the tissue and the humidifier was from part 1, so if you haven't watched that one, make sure you check that video out too. And this gray bucket is what I'll be putting my stuff in that I will not be keeping.
And I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't want to lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will.
If you are new here, I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today, and I really hope you consider subscribing. On my channel, I do organization, cleaning, and home decor videos. So I did make a trip to Target. I picked up some new washcloths, some new towels, and I also picked up these nice storage bins. They were from the Target dollar spot. They were $5 a piece. I did not measure the space before I left, so that is what I'm doing right now, just making sure they fit, and they fit perfectly.
Make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't want to lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better.
So right here, I am just going through all of my curling irons. I do have a lot, and it gets super messy in here because of the cords. So I will be decluttering these curling irons and blow dryers. Some stuff I do not use or need anymore, and some stuff I've had for so long, it's just time to let it go.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can we feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights.
The only thing that I purchased for this video were the 4 bins that I got from Target and the towels and the washcloths. Everything else was already in my home. These 2 bins right here were from Dollar Tree.
Going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, 'cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh,
So everything right here will be getting donated, or I'll be giving it away. And right now I will be taking off the tags on the towels and the washcloths and putting it in the washer.
We're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy.
So I do have a laundry routine video up on my channel. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you check that video out too.
So young, I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish.
So these are some of the bins that I will be using for this closet. The hamper is going to be used for old towels and old rags.
Kill the lights.
We used to be so good together, like Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah, that kind of vibe, a love that couldn't last forever. Explosive, right? You're dynamite, but now my heart's so heavy. You moved on with your life and left me out. I thought that we would last forever, like Bonnie and Clyde. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que.
No, I did color coordinate the closet. Some of the older towels were still in good condition, so I did decide to keep them, but I wanted to put them in a cute bin.
Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño. We used to be drunk to.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And right here, I will be showing you the technique I use to fold my towels. This technique just works for us. It's easier for the kids to get in and out of the closet. It's just easy and it works.
I'm getting out of control. Baby, now I'm here in the flashing lights, drowning out my sorrows. Looking for someone in the neon lights who could make me let go. Te extraño, me haces loca cada vez que te vas. I'm out of control. You don't know how much it hurts during the nights. I need to.
So the linens that I placed to the side were for my daughter's room. I noticed that there were pin marks all over her bedding, so I will be replacing those.
I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm here with the scars that you left me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm dancing alone in the dark to forget. I'm here with the scars that you left me. I need to know how you're sleeping next to her. Tell me what you're up to. Te extraño.
Hey guys, so I know that I did not talk that much in this video, but leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think about the video. Also, if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed part 1. Make sure you check that out if you haven't watched that one already. Yes, so I'm going to get out of here and I will see you guys on my next video.